Chapter 3. Our Skeletal System. Human body is made up of several parts. It is a very complex machine. It performs so many functions like a man-made metallic machine. Each part performs a special function. The heart, the lungs, the kidneys, and the brain are some of the major organs of our body. These organs work like a team to keep our body fit and in a working condition. A group of organs together makes up the organ system. The teamwork of our bones and muscles is amazing. Working together, they make our body an efficient machine. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeletal system. It protects the delicate organs like the heart and brain. An adult human body has 206 bones of different sizes and shapes. The main parts of the human skeleton are skull, rib cage, backbone, 2 pairs of limbs, and 2 pairs of girdles. Skull. The skull is the bony structure that consists of the brain box and the facial bones. The brain box is the upper portion of the skull. It is made up of 8 flat bones interlocked together. The brain box encloses the delicate brain inside it and protects the soft and delicate brain from being injured. Our facial bone is made up of 14 bones. Only the lower jaw is movable in the skull. It enables us to chew our food and speak. Rib cage. 12 pairs of thin and curved bones are called the ribs. These bones form a rib cage which protects the heart and the lungs. All the 12 pairs of the ribs are attached with the backbone at the back, and the first 10 pairs are attached with the chest bone in the front. The last 2 pairs of ribs are not attached to the chest bone, but only to the backbone, and hence are called floating ribs. The backbone or spine. The backbone forms the main axis of the skeleton. The skull is attached to the backbone or spine. The backbone or spine is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. These small bones are attached together to form a column called the vertebral column. The backbone starts at the neck and continues down to the hips. It protects the spinal cord. The vertebrae can move over each other. This allows us to bend and twist your back. Limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs in our body, a pair of forelimbs or arms, and a pair of hind limbs or legs. The upper bone of the arm is attached to the spine by the shoulder girdle and collarbone. The upper arm has only 1 bone called humerus. The lower arm has 2 bones called radius and ulna. The leg bones are attached to the spine by the hip girdle. The upper leg has only 1 bone called femur or thigh bone. It is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has 2 bones called tibia and fibula. Girdles. The girdles exist in 2 pairs, a pair of shoulder girdles and a pair of hip girdles. The limbs are not attached directly to the backbone, spine, but to the girdles. The arms are attached to the shoulder girdle. The legs are attached to the hip girdle. The girdles lie on either side of the backbone and are fixed to it. Functions of the skeleton system. The skeleton has the following main functions. 1. Our body gets definite shape and support from skeleton. It protects the delicate internal organs inside our body. The muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles and bones work together to move parts of the body. The long bones of the skeleton are filled with a soft fatty material called bone marrow. Blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. These are mainly of 2 types, red blood cells, RBCs, and white blood cells, WBCs. Red blood cells carry oxygen to different parts of the body. White blood cells fight with the germs of diseases. The minerals like phosphorus and calcium are stored in bones as they serve as a storage area. Joint. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Most joints hold the bones together and yet allow movement. Joints may be movable or immovable. Immovable joints. Some joints do not allow any movement between the bones, so they are called immovable joints. Bones of the skull are fixed. Movable joints. Most of the joints can move smoothly. Such joints are called movable joints. There are 4 types of movable joints in our body. These are the hinge joint. Like the hinges in a door, human body has also hinge joints. We have hinge joints in our elbows, fingers, toes, and knees. They allow movement of the bones in one direction, that is up and down. The ball and socket joint. If we raise our arm to our shoulders height and rotate it in all directions, we can swing our arm like a wheel. This is because in this type of joint, the ball-shaped end of one bone fits into the cup-shaped socket of the other bone. This joint allows the maximum movement. The hip and the shoulder joints are examples of this type of joint. Pivot joint. Pivot joint lies between the skull and the backbone. The uppermost vertebra is called atlas. This joint helps our head to move upward, downwards, and sideways. Gliding joint. The gliding joints are found in the bones of the wrists and ankles and also between any 2 vertebrae of the backbone. It allows these bones to slide against each other in a gliding motion. Muscular system. Muscular system consists of all the muscles of our body. It helps us move and do work. They are made up of special tissues that can contract or shorten. When they receive a signal from the brain, the muscles are attached to bones by stretchy tissue called tendons. When the muscles contract, they pull on the tendons, which pull on the bones and cause our limbs to move. There are about 650 muscles in our body. Muscles help us bend our arms and knees, push food into the digestive canal, chew our food, and make our heart beat.